In this video, I'm going to explain how to get really good audio quality for your podcast. And of course, even if you ultimately have a YouTube channel, you'll still need good audio. So that's going to be useful for that as well. And I'm going to talk about how to start for free and then work up to more expensive options.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So even though it's not recommended, if you're really low on cash, you can record from your computer's built-in microphone. The problem with your computer's built-in microphone is that most built-in computer microphones will pick up audio, will pick up sounds from elsewhere. Like if there's a siren outside or if there's some loud bang, that's going to creep into your audio and it's not good. You can still use it if you have good audio recording, audio editing software. And here's a free audio editing software, Audacity. It's free, available on Windows and Mac. And this is going to give you an ability to edit out the sounds that you don't want from your audio. Editing is an annoying process, so you can cheaply hire a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork to help you fix this. But essentially, if you want to record for free, you can. It's not advised, but for free, you can use the built-in microphone from your computer. If you're able to spend a little bit, this is the microphone that I use. It's only $89, so it's under $100. The good thing about this microphone is the kind of microphone that's not going to pick up outside noise. So for example, if there's a loud siren outside, I can keep talking. I'm not worried. It's not going to get picked up because it picks up only the things that are near it. And it comes with these headphones and it comes with a pop filter. The pop filter is useful if you, in your speech, you have sounds like or something like that. It's going to get those ugly sounds out of your speech and just make it sound a little better. So this will quickly improve your audio. This is what I use. Among many podcasters, this Blue Yeti is a very popular choice. It's a little more expensive. I personally don't use it, but it is very popular. Even Amazon recommends it. And as you can see, that it has so many good reviews and people really buy it. So this is an industry standard. I don't think you would go wrong with this, but personally, it's hard for me to say because I don't use it. Now, of course, you'll need a stand for your microphone. A Blue Yeti can stand on its own. My microphone, I use actually this sort of a thing. And you can see you can screw it to the bottom of your table with this. And it's very bendable and stretchable to almost any angle. And then you fix your microphone here, and then you adjust your microphone so that it's not far from your face, and you can easily talk into it while you don't have to hold it, so your hands are free. Now, this is very cheap. So for about $100, you can get really good audio, and you can pretty much stop there and just see how your podcast does. If your podcast starts growing, it might be wise to invest in more equipment. Some of the more advanced equipment are maybe sound mixers. You can improve different aspects of your audio compressors. Also, this is once you start geeking out with things. And if you are recording elsewhere, if you're not recording in your home studio, maybe an audio recorder, digital recorder, if you're traveling to a location to interview someone. But if you keep on getting these pieces of equipment, some of them can be, $100, $200. And if you want to go up in quality, it can be $300. And quickly can be a little bit, it can become expensive. So I think a very good, inexpensive middle ground is to just buy a good microphone. And if you're really low on cash, you just go with built-in mic and Audacity.